Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video we'll be doing a Zara sale try-on haul. Super excited because they finally came in the mail. I ordered them all online since I don't want to fall in line at Zara, and their cashier line or register lines are super long, so I just decided to order online, and it arrived like July 1st or July 2nd. So I got two boxes right here, and let's get started. By the way guys, look at my nails. It's so pretty. I just got like colored tips, and I got them done at Paint Nail Lounge SD. It's near SDSU, so it's super nice. The first one is the Satin Effect, a print dress, and it just looks so pretty, and I love the designs. It's just floral and blue flowers, and I don't have a dress like with the pale yellow. I don't know if you can tell, but this is how it looks like. The front looks like this. It has like small detail buttons, and it has like ruffles on this area and also the strap. The only thing that I don't like is that the straps are a little long on me, but you can definitely have them altered. And it has a ruching on the back, but it has a zipper on the left side. Also, I love that it is like fitted in the upper body, but then it just flows like that, so you can definitely pair it with white sandals or like cute colored flats for the summer, and I really like it. And it has a satin material, which is really nice and breathable. By the way, I got this for $25.99, and I'll be putting everything in the description box or on the screen, like the size, the reference ID, and well, I think I got everything in large, so I might not put that anymore since everything is on large. And the next one has gotta be my favorite, I think. I don't know, I'm torn. But anyway, this is called the Strappy Linen Blend Jumpsuit Dress, and I got this in the color lime green. I wish they had the other color, which is yellow, but unfortunately it was out of stock already. So that's the thing, like I alarmed at like 4:59 because I think it started at 5 o'clock, and like most of the items in my cart are already sold out. So that's how fast it was online. But anyway, I'm so happy with the things that I got. Okay. Moving on, this dress, well, it's technically like a jumpsuit because it has like shorts. It has like short lining, which is good because I don't really wear shorts under my dress. TMI, I know, but it's just not comfy. So this is how it looks like. It's lime green but very, very pale, which I love. So super happy that I got this one. And it's not too short. I mean, it kind of is short, but it's a jumpsuit, so you don't have to worry since it's not really a dress. It just looks like a dress, but it's not. I wish this part was a little more tighter, but I can definitely just wear a belt with it. But yeah, I love the thin straps as well. And you can see it's also adjustable, so if you're short or if you're tall, then you can definitely just adjust the strap according to your liking. This is also $25.99 like the other dress, and the material is really nice because it's linen. So this is really perfect for the summer. You can wear it with sneakers, like I would love to wear this with sneakers or like cute sandals or heels. And also, if you love the look of a dress but you don't want, you know, to flash people, then this is perfect because it already has a lining underneath. Girl, I am already sweating. But this is called the Floral Print dress, and this is also $25.99, and I'm super sad that this dress didn't work out because I love the print so much. But it's small, like it won't close. I won't show you, but it wouldn't close on this area. And it's super short, like, can you see? It's like a nightgown. That's what Kenya said, because I was like trying them on for the first time, and then I was FaceTiming her, and then she was like, that looks like a nightgown. And I'm not tall. I'm only 5'2" or 5'3". This didn't look so short on the model. The straps are super short, like it's even, like it's right here. It's not even under the chest. So I'm like, I'm super sad because I really wanted this so bad, but it's a fail. I'm gonna have to return this. The next one that I got is this blazer in the color beige. I think it's called lapelless fitted blazer. It's $29.99 and I got this in the color beige. I don't know if I said that already, but I just wanted like a cute blazer for the summer. Well, this is gonna be all year round, but it's kind of a bit long on me, but I'm still keeping it. So I've been looking for a really nice blazer that I can throw around, like just with dresses or with shorts, like very casual looking blazer that if I just don't want to be, you know, wearing sleeveless, just want to look a little bit more put together, then I can just throw this on. And I just love the color. I think it has pockets. Yeah, it does have pockets. I just have to, yeah, there. I really love this. I wish they came in white as well, because I would definitely love a white blazer because I have a black one already. To like make it more casual, you can just fold the sleeves just like what I did earlier. So you can just fold them up like that. Oh my god, my earring just... The next one is another favorite of mine. This is called the Linen Blend Floral Print Dress, and this is $25.99, and I just love it so much. You guys know my favorite color is blue, so I literally had to get this. So this is how it looks like. It's like a short straight dress, and it has like a belt that came with it. So this is how the print looks like. It's just floral, but like just white, plain white and blue base basically. But I don't know if you noticed that I really love a straight neckline or like sweetheart neckline. I don't know, I just love them. I don't like v-necks. I need to go more on brunch dates so that I could wear the stuff that I got. I think they're also cute, but I'm not going anywhere, so. I also got this basic denim jacket in light blue. I don't have a fitted denim jacket, so I decided to get from Zara since their denims are really high quality. So I only have oversized, that's why I decided to get this one. I wanted the dark wash as well, but it's out of stock. So just decided to go for this light wash, and it really looks nice. And I just realized light wash is perfect for spring and summer. This was $25.99, so it was really a good value for a denim jacket, I would say. So yeah. Oops, the collar. And then another denim jacket. This one is called the fitted denim jacket in blue. This is $25.99 as well, but I got this in a size medium because they don't have any large size anymore, which I'm super sad because I feel like I'm gonna return this because it's too tight on my arms. I mean, the thing itself is like it's okay, but since it's fitted, the arms are very tight for me, and I don't like that because I still want it to be like, you know, a little loose but not too oversized. So hopefully they still have stocks in Fashion Valley of like a dark wash denim jacket so that I could just return it. But it looks really, really nice, and it's not cropped and it's not oversized, so I'm super sad. And it's only $25.99 like the other denim jacket that I got, but you know, it's a little small on me, so. So the next one is this a crop top, which like has a straight neckline and like a wide straps. So if you guys saw my last vlog, which is like the no mask shopping vlog, you know that I got this too, right? But then I saw it on the app that it was gonna be on sale, so I returned it and just got them on sale. because I don't want to pay full price knowing that it's gonna be on their sale section soon. So I just got this on sale, and I got it in 3 colors, as you can tell. I think this is all the colors that they have. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I mean, this is how the white one looks like. It's only $12.99. They were originally like $17 or $18. So I'm so happy that I returned it and got them on sale. So yeah, it's just the perfect crop top for me, because you know I'm super insecure with this part of my body. So I really like thick straps more than thin straps when it comes to like crop tops like this. Also guys, I don't think I'm gonna keep the black one because it's tighter compared to the orange and this white one. I don't know why. So this is how the orange looks like. I feel like it looks orange yellow in the camera, but it's really like deep orange. Yeah. So I tried on the black one and it really doesn't look like this. Like it's so fitted on like the chest area, so I'm gonna return that for sure. So I'm just keeping this orange one, and I feel like I'm obsessed with orange lately. Like I've been keeping eye on like orange, green, and like pink stuff lately for summer. I don't know, it's just catching my eyes a lot of times at the malls. That is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to click the like button. Sorry, I'm really sweating right now. Don't forget to click the like button. Comment down below what is your favorite item in this Zara sale haul, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless, and thank you for watching.